Good day, everybody. My name is Akintola Kinyemi Abraham from Nigeria. I represent Green Globe Initiative (GGI), an environment organization that is youth-based, focusing on sustainable environment, biodiversity conservation, and economical agriculture. I am a graduate of University of Ilorin, and I'm a very passionate advocate for the environment. I've taken quite a few conferences relating on climate and environment matters. Similarly, I have planted about 6,000 trees in the past 3 years. And I am so passionate about sustainable environment, food security, zero hunger, as we have on the Sustainable Development Goals, among others. So I will be pitching Pavestone, the concrete way out of plastic pollution. In our environment, we have plastic pollution heavily, and it is so disturbing and so alarming that it is threatening. It is a threat to humanity. It is a threat to our species in the ocean. That is the aquatic habitat. And Akintola, I am preferring a solution to curb the menace of plastic pollution in our community. What is my product? My product is interlocking stones, which you and I know as pave stones. But the one that we are producing is called eco paves. This, ouch, this is made from sand and plastic. And this is made from sand and cement. But I want to produce something like this using plastic and sand. This is equally made from cement and sand, but I want to produce something in various shapes, using this shape and this shape to produce interlocking stone that is going to be eco-friendly. It is going to be zero cement. It is going to be basically sand and PET plastics and some other categories of plastic. And the challenges that we have faced over time in the course of putting this together is the acceptability. So people believe this is not possible to achieve a concrete material, solid material of this kind from interlocking stone. And you can see, testing it, testing it, testing it, testing it. This is already shredding off my hands already, but this is still as strong as rock. And what are the challenges that we have faced so far? Part of the challenges we have faced so far is that people do not actually believe we can come up with something of this nature. Secondly, there was a time we were really looking for land where we are going to use to actually carry out our experiment, pull our classes of plastic together. But unfortunately, we received the highest charges so far, so we couldn't go with that. So we have to resort to using my personal residence where we get these done. And another challenge that we face is that we have difficulty in getting mold, because molds that are used for this are actually rubber made, or let me say plastic made. And since it is a cold medium, it is very easy to flow with. But this is actually hot medium, because we are going to be introducing extreme heat. So we couldn't actually use plastic mold to get this done. But currently, in recent time, we are working on aluminum mold to get this done. All right. Now, what is the benefits that this product will be bringing to the people? First thing first is that we'll be able to curb flood in our society. We'll be able to curb the incidence of waterways getting blocked and clogged up, because we discovered that when people use plastic and dispose it like as landfills, they get into the waterways. Secondly, when we have plastic in landfills and there is sun shining on them, like solar energy on them, they tend to break. The macroplastic tend to break, and then the gases that released from them is actually very harmful to the environment. Part of them is mercury, part of them is furan. All right. So, and what is the feasibility of this? The feasibility of this project is that we have seen on YouTube platforms these products being carried out in Uganda and some other countries in East Africa. But as far as I am concerned, I have not seen any in Nigeria. It might be existing, however, I have not seen one. So we are so sure that this coming out is going to be a very great innovation. And talking about the scalability, we so much believe that this is doable and we are not going to run out of resources because the state of the economic keep advancing. The only thing that can stop us is if companies around the world stop using plastic. And so far that does not happen, then we'll be having sustainable supply of plastic. And how do we tend to generate our plastic? We have devised an incentive-based plastic collection system in which people will come and bank plastic with us in our collection centers, which we call plastic bank, and then we pay them equivalent amount to the plastic they bring to us. And equally, we'll be carrying out community cleanups in which we are going to be harvesting our PET bottles and nylons from the environment to clean it up. That is part of the benefit. We are going to be sanitizing and cleaning the environment, and equally the aquatic species will also be free from plastic that got escaped into the ocean. And this is what we are so much eager to do, because believe this is an original idea from us. Thank you very much.